We won! We have the belt! This is SKG belt. It's the W9 Ultra 2.0 lower back massage. And this is pretty cool. I'm going to go through and show you the unboxing and how it uses. And spoiler alert, it's a lot better than a lot of the other back massagers. It's very different. It has these kind of things that rotate back and forth, and it feels more natural. It feels more of a massage than the chunky ones, if you will. But this is a really cool design. I was pleasantly surprised by it. Let me go through and show you the unboxing and show you it in effect. Here you can see it in the box. Great presentation. And this does have some other things like deep tissue adjustment. You know, it's cordless, it's got a remote, it's got infrared on the back. And as I mentioned, the titanium massage heads kind of rotate back and forth, and they go at different areas, and you do have the off and on button on the back of the belt, and then you can go through and change the how much you want it, but you can also use the remote. You just have to make sure you turn it on first. And here you can go through and see you can use it, and it feels good. It does have some sound to it, which is different. So it does sound a little funky, but it also really worked, so it's worth it. And it really gave you a good feel of like relaxedness after the fact. Like it wasn't just during the use, afterwards it felt like you felt good. With some of these massagers you use, it's like you use them and then you just feel but with this one, I actually felt really good afterwards, and I'm looking forward to using it again. So do I recommend the SKG W9 Ultra 2.0? Definitely. I do recommend it. And like I said, it also does have other features like the infrared light in the back. And it is adjustable too, as I showed you. You do have an extra piece to go through and make the belt even longer. So for people like me, I can put it on no problem and still have plenty of room. So that makes it a lot better to have that nice adjustable piece there. And the remote control does what it needs to as well. Definitely recommend it. Make sure you go through and check it out.